The cavity slider pocket frame should be the builder's first choice when it comes to pocket doors. Their innovative design, focused on long-run, reliable performance, overcomes the issues traditionally experienced with pocket doors. Can you hear that? First, its robust aluminum structure ensures it's not going to bow or flex like traditional wooden alternatives. The frame is easy to assemble and install, and it can be cut down to size on site if necessary. The rollers are engineered with precision ground bearings to ensure these doors are going to roll extremely smoothly. The system has a weight capacity of 500 pounds and is tested through 1,000,000 cycles. It can accommodate an 1 3/8 or an 1 3/4 thick door and is suitable for both residential and commercial projects. If necessary, the door can be serviced with ease. The revolutionary snap-in trim clips and quick-release mount plates allow for the door's removal from the opening. This, coupled with the access notch for the rollers, ensures pocket door headaches are a thing of the past. Finally, you've got the option to add the soft close or soft open feature for additional quietness and safety. For peace of mind on your next pocket door system, specify the CS cavity slider.